Welcome back, Crammers, to question 11. Here's a sequence of patterns made from counters. Pattern number 1 has 3 counters. Pattern number 2 has 6. Pattern number 3 has 9. In the space below, draw pattern number 4. We can see that in each ascending pattern, we can see that there is plus 3, plus 3. So we can assume that pattern number 4 is simply 9 plus 3, which is supposed to be 12. So we can draw here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Complete the table. Pattern number 1, 2, 3 are given, but pattern number 4 and 5 are not given. Pattern number 4 we already found to be 12. As said before, we simply add 3, so 3 plus 12 is 15. Work out the number of counters in pattern number 10. We can use the formula A plus N minus 1B. A is the first term of the sequence, which is 3, plus N is the number we're trying to find. So we're trying to find number 10 in the sequence. So 10 minus 1. And difference is simply 3. So we have 3 plus 10 minus 1, that's 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 3 is 30. Sven has exactly 70 counters. Can Sven make the pattern number 25 using his 70 counters? Tick the appropriate box below. No. Why is this? Because 70 is not a multiple of 3, and we can see that it will always be a multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So we can write here 70 is not a multiple of 3. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.